Hi, I'm Joseph of Bronx Science Arista, and today I'll be teaching you about the average value of a function. Our example problem is find the average value of the function x squared over 2 from the interval of 0 to 4. In order to find the average value of a function, there's a simple formula that you have to plug your values into. That formula is 1 over b minus a, the integral from a to b of f of x dx. A and b stand for the limits of integration. For this problem, a and b will be 0 and 4 respectively. So when you plug in this function, you get 1 over 4 minus 0, the integral from 0 to 4 of x squared over 2, which is your function, dx. So this simplifies to 1 over 4, obviously. Then you have the integral of 0 to 4. And the integral of x squared is x cubed over 3, because you add 1 to the exponent and then you divide it by the exponent plus 1. And then you have to multiply that by 1/2 because it started out divided by 2, which simplifies to x cubed over 6 dx. That's your integral, which you have to now evaluate at 4 and 0. At 0, this becomes 0 because x to anything. 0 to the any power becomes 0. And at 4, you have 4 cubed, 64, over 6. So 64 over 6 minus 0 becomes 64 over 6, but you also have to multiply this by the 1/4 in front. So 1/4 times 64 over 6, well, 4 goes into 64 16 times. So you have 16 over 6, which is the average value of the function x squared over 2 from the interval of 0 to 4.